Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best expanding foam is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional contractor, capable of filling gaps, sealing cracks, and providing insulation with remarkable ease and effectiveness. Whether you're tackling a small home repair or a large construction project, the right expanding foam spray can make all the difference in achieving a professional finish and ensuring long-term durability. This guide will help you navigate the options and find the perfect product for your needs, ensuring a secure and well-insulated space every time. Number 5. Loctite Tite Foam Gaps and Crack Spray Foam Sealant. This spray foam sealant effectively fills, seals, and insulates gaps and cracks up to 1 inch in size. It's designed for efficient coverage in your home improvement projects. Its premium polymer foam formula is built to withstand harsh UV rays, ensuring long-lasting results. You can rely on its durability for years to come. Experience superior insulation with its high-density foam and uniform cell structure. This provides excellent durability for all your remodeling needs. It offers superior flexibility, withstanding building and material movement without compromising the seal. This ensures a reliable barrier against the elements. This sealant boasts strong adhesion, bonding securely to most common building materials. It works great on wood, concrete, brick, metal, and more. What we like. This product offers premium durability and superior flexibility for long-lasting results. If you are looking for a sealant that can withstand building movement and harsh UV rays, this is a great choice. It's ideal for general-purpose sealing and insulation needs. What people say. The foam expands well and fills gaps effectively. Easy to use and provides good insulation. Dries quickly and can be trimmed easily. Number 4. Loctite Tite Foam Big Gap Spray Foam Sealant. Tired of gaps and cracks? This spray foam expands to fill and insulate openings up to 3 inches wide. It's the perfect solution for your sealing needs. Experience superior insulation with its high-density, uniform cell structure. This foam is built for durability, making your remodeling projects last. Worried about movement? Its superior flexibility withstands building and material shifts, ensuring your seal remains intact. It won't compromise its integrity. Achieve a strong adhesion on various materials like wood, concrete, metal, and PVC. It bonds securely to most common building materials. Protect your work from the elements. This sealant is designed with UV resistance to withstand harsh rays, ensuring long-lasting results. What we like. This sealant is designed for larger gaps, up to 3 inches, and offers high-density foam for excellent insulation. If you have bigger gaps to fill or need robust insulation for remodeling projects, this product is perfect. Its UV resistance ensures it holds up well outdoors. What people say. It sealed the gap perfectly. The foam expanded to fill the entire space, creating a tight seal. Easy to use and effective for sealing small gaps around windows and doors. Number 3. Great Stuff 99108824 Smart Dispenser. Tired of drafts and wasted energy? This is the ultimate solution for sealing gaps and cracks. It's designed to help you reduce energy loss and keep your home comfortable. Experience a cleaner application process. Our innovative foam stops precisely where you need it to, preventing drips and minimizing mess. Say goodbye to sticky situations. Get more value with its reusability. You can use it again and again for up to 30 days. This makes it a convenient and economical choice for various projects. Achieve a professional finish with its precise control. The design allows for greater accuracy, ensuring you can tackle any gap or crack with confidence. Effectively combat drafts and save on your energy bills. This product is your go-to for sealing imperfections and improving your home's efficiency. What we like. Experience a cleaner application with this foam that stops where you stop, minimizing mess. If you value precise control and a product that's reusable for up to 30 days, this is the one for you. It's perfect for DIYers who want a user-friendly and less wasteful option. What people say. This foam expands to fill gaps and cracks effectively, providing good insulation and soundproofing. The nozzle design allows for precise application, minimizing waste and ensuring even coverage. It adheres well to various surfaces, including wood, metal, and concrete, creating a durable seal. Number 2. Luft Professional Expanding Foam Spray Gun. Introducing the Professional Expanding Foam Spray Gun, designed for heavy-duty use. This tool is perfect for a wide range of insulation and sealing tasks. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to its Teflon coating, which prevents residue and reduces the need for foam cleaner. It's designed for repeated use, saving you time and effort. Achieve precise application with its copper nozzle, lock valve, and spring trigger. You can easily control the foam flow, preventing waste and ensuring a clean finish. This tool is ideal for filling gaps and sealing various areas in your home, from roofs to windows. It's great for isolating small spaces efficiently. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip and effortless operation. The lock valve helps discharge residual material, making it user-friendly and efficient. Designed to fit most 20 to 24-ounce foam sealant canisters, this professional tool is versatile. Its valve effectively seals foam cans, allowing for complete discharge of residual sealant. What we like. This professional-grade gun offers exceptional control and ease of use, even for smaller gaps. If you're looking for a tool that provides precise application, reduces waste, and is comfortable to handle for extended periods, this is an excellent investment. It's ideal for professionals or serious DIYers tackling various sealing and insulation tasks. What people say. It is a good product that works well. The expanding foam spray is easy to use and provides a strong seal. Number 1. Great Stuff Pro Gaps and Cracks 24-ounce Spray Foam Insulation Sealant Kit. This spray foam sealant is designed to fill and insulate larger openings. It expands to create a water-resistant and airtight barrier, ensuring a complete seal. Our orange-colored sealant is fire block rated, helping to slow the spread of flames and smoke. It's designed for concealed spaces, ensuring code compliance. The gun-grade formula is reusable, allowing you to use what you need and save the rest. The can remains pressurized and usable for future applications when attached to the foam gun. Prevent significant heating and cooling loss caused by air leaks. This product improves energy efficiency and can lower your utility bills. Get the job done quickly with our fast-setting formula. It's tack-free in minutes and ready to trim within an hour, making application and cleanup efficient. Experience strong adhesion to most building materials, making it ideal for both interior and exterior use. It provides a reliable seal wherever you need it. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for effective foam sealing. It contains the sealant, a dispensing gun, nozzles, straws, and cleaner for a complete solution. What we like. This comprehensive kit is designed for larger gaps and offers fire block rating for code compliance. If you need to seal significant penetrations, ensure fire safety, and want an all-in-one solution with a professional gun and cleaner, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for professional contractors or demanding home renovation projects. What people say. This expanding foam spray is excellent for filling gaps and cracks, providing a strong seal. The foam expands well and hardens quickly, making it efficient for insulation purposes. It adheres to most surfaces, including wood, plaster, and concrete, offering versatile application. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.